This Faceless YouTube channel is making over $6,500 a month, and here's the best part. You don't need to show your face or even pick up a camera to make videos just like it. All you need is Canva, a simple script, and a little help from AI. In this video, I'm going to show you the entire process, step by step. We'll go from generating your script in voiceover using AI to editing your video in Canva, adding stock footage, smooth transitions, and even automatic captions. Make sure to stick around till the end. I'll also show you how to turn these videos into a steady source of income, whether you're just getting started or ready to scale up. Let's jump in. First things first, content ideas. And the easiest way to find winning topics, competitive research, head over to a successful Faceless YouTube channel, click on their Videos tab, and sort by most popular. That gives you an instant look at what's already working and gives you direction for your own videos. For example, one of their top videos is titled, Admiral McRaven Leaves the Audience Speechless out of one of the best motivational speeches, and it's pulled in over 40 million views. It's an evergreen topic that keeps performing, and a perfect starting point for our video. Once you've locked in a topic, it's time to write the script. To speed things up, I'm using ChatGPT. It's an AI writing assistant that helps you generate clean, structured scripts on almost any topic. Just type a prompt, include your video title, and decide how long you want your video to be. For this example, we're keeping it under 3 minutes to focus on editing techniques. Now that we've got a script, let's bring it to life with a voiceover. We're going to use ElevenLabs, one of the top AI tools for creating voiceovers that are fully eligible for monetization under the YouTube Partner Program. It's incredibly easy to use. Here's how it works. Just paste your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice that fits the tone of your video, and let the AI do the rest. For this project, I'm selecting a voice with a playful, engaging tone, perfect for building a connection with the audience and keeping them interested from start to finish. Once you've picked the voice, simply click Generate, and within seconds, you'll have a professional quality voiceover ready to go. Here's what it sounds like.
What if today was the day that changed everything? Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the truth is, your breakthrough is on the other side of one decision: to keep going.
Once the audio is ready, download it and repeat the process for the rest of your script. Now, for the fun part, editing in Canva. Open up Canva, start a new project using the video template, and select the standard YouTube dimensions. This brings up the video editor where we'll do everything. Upload your voiceover files first. Go to the Uploads tab, click Audio, and drag in your files. Next, rename your project to stay organized. Then, add blank pages to serve as placeholders for each voiceover segment. Click Add Page and adjust the duration to match your audio clips. This helps create a solid structure and makes adding visuals a lot easier. To add smooth transitions, click between pages, select Magic Move, set it to 0.3 seconds, and apply to all. Now drag your first voiceover clip onto the timeline so it starts at the very beginning. Before we add visuals, here's an important tip. In Faceless videos, your visuals do the storytelling alongside the voice. So make sure every clip you use actually matches what's being said. Let's break down an example sentence. What if today was the day that changed everything? Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. That could be shown with growing tree. Each one becomes a visual scene. If you're not sure what to use, just follow your script line by line. It's like a visual guide. Go to the Elements tab, search for relevant clips like growing tree, pick one, and drag it onto the timeline. Trim it to match the length of the corresponding voiceover. Then, do the same for the next part. Overcoming challenge. Adjust the timing so the visuals stay in sync with the narration. Sometimes combining clips or skipping a line works better. Feel free to experiment. Once you finish visuals for that section, move on to the next. Just repeat the same flow. Listen to the voiceover. Figure out what visuals match. Search and drag them in. Trim everything to fit. Keep working this way until your whole video is synced with the matching visuals. Now with the visuals and audio in place, there's just one more step. Captions. Captions help boost engagement and make your videos more accessible, and with Canva, they're super easy to add. Here's how. First, download your edited video from Canva. Then, open a new Canva project using the same dimensions. Upload your finished video, place it on the canvas, and set it as the background. Now go to the Text tab, look for dynamic text, and choose Captions. Click Generate Captions, and Canva will automatically sync the subtitles to your audio. And that's it. You've now got a polished professional faceless video, complete with narration, visuals, transitions, and captions. Let's take a quick look at the result.
What if today was the day that changed everything? Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the truth is, your breakthrough is on the other side of one decision. To keep going. Hi, I'm Matt, and this is the video you didn't know you needed. This is not just motivation. This is a wake-up call. Let me tell you about Sarah.
Congratulations, guys. We have successfully edited our video on Canva and added captions to it. This entire video took me about 2 hours to make. And once you get the hang of it, you can start producing longer 10-minute videos in a single session. Stay consistent, and this can become a legit income stream, whether you're doing it on the side or going all in. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tips on AI video creation and content automation. See you in the next one.